Adonis Awakens. Gorgeous box. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Just open the flap and this beauty sits in here like this. Check it out. I love rose fragrances and this one blew me away. My God, this is an amazing rose fragrance. Look at this bottle. Look at the bottle. Oh my God, this is just gorgeous. Look at the juice color. A beautiful rose colored juice. But I'm gonna tell you what does it for me, man. It is the grapefruit, raspberry, vanilla combination in the heart of this fragrance that plays so well together, that gives this very unique, sultry, fruity vibe to this fragrance that it just does it with the rose. It just works with the rose. And I'm happy that out of all the rose fragrances that I have in my collection, there's no oud here. And I love that. I love that there's no oud in this fragrance because it doesn't make it smell like all the other rose fragrances that I have. So when you get something that's different, to me, that's really something that gets my attention. And this is something you just gotta get your nose on, man. I am telling you, from the presentation, you know, to the fragrances themselves, I am very, very happy. I will tell you now, from the standpoint of what's inside these bottles, the presentation is gorgeous, but what's inside is even